Hello and welcome to Feely Finance. This is episode 27 of building an investment portfolio from £0 to £100,000. My last update was 3 weeks ago and it's been quite a topsy-turvy time for the stock market. The S&P 500 did reach new all-time highs, however it has since pulled back from that. If you're new to the channel, I only invest in one fund and that is the Vanguard S&P 500 Accumulation Fund, which is ticker code VUAG on London Stock Exchange. I utilise a dollar cost averaging approach whereby I invest £385 each week and that equates to £20,000 per annum. I'll show you my last 3 purchases and I'll also show you my portfolio as a whole, so let's get into it. This is how the S&P 500 has performed across the past month. You can see it's currently trading at 6,832 and it's up 2.67%. However, it did reach a new all-time high in excess of 6,900, although across the past week it has pulled back from that. The S&P 500 has performed well year to date. It's up in excess of 15%. This is the dollar to pound exchange rate across the past 5 days. You can see it's currently trading at 0.76 to the pound, although it has been as high as 0.77 to the pound across the past week. Obviously, for UK-based investors, the dollar to pound exchange rate will have a significant impact on your returns. A strong dollar will mean that your investments are valued more in pounds. This is the first of 3 purchases, so £385 at a price of £98.67, and that bought me 3.9018 shares of VUAG, and that was executed on the 27th of October. So as I say, I dollar cost average into the market. I buy £385 worth of shares each and every Monday, and the price a couple of weeks ago was £98.67. This is my second purchase, so you can see on the 3rd of November, I bought £385 worth of shares at a price of £100.26. And that was executed on the 3rd of November, so that bought me 3.84 shares. As you can see at this point, the price of the fund spiked because the S&P 500 spiked and also the dollar to pound exchange rate increased. And this is my last purchase. This was executed yesterday. So £385 again at a price of £98.78. And that bought me 3.897 shares. So as I say, I dollar cost average, so whatever the price is, on every Monday I buy £385 worth of shares. I don't try and time the market. I just continue to buy whatever the price is. So this is my portfolio as a whole. You can see I now own 140.17 shares of VUAG at an average price of £87.89. I'm in the green. I'm up £1,656.09, which represents a gain of 13.44%. My total value of my investments is £13,976.09. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.